There's been a hiccup. Cyrus.
Cyrus?
Your wife reached out to him. He's acting as her advocate for the negotiations.
What negotiations?
What they want in order to agree to the interview.
She'll get nothing and she'll like it.
Sir!
Get out of my
This
way.
is a negotiation, sir, not an argument. If you go in there hot, we'll never make our deadline.
Move.
Which is exactly why you can't be involved.
Excuse me?
It's too personal between you and the First Lady.
You
sir.
don't know what the hell you're talking about. Move now or you're fired.
So fire me. Fitz. Hear her out. I am doing my job, sir. I am focused on doing my job for you, protecting the Oval, protecting the presidency. May I ask, sir, what you are focused on right now?
She's right. Anger gets you nowhere.
Nothing gets agreed on without my say-so.
Thank you, sir.
The White House response to Pope's declaration has so far been silence, a total complete lockdown.
¿Dónde está Olivia Pope? ¿Estará en la Casa Blanca? Por ahora no sabemos, pero...
No, Olivia Pope and Associates has no comment at this time.
We're under attack.